Topic 2, addition and subtraction of algebra. So in this one we're going to be looking at like terms and what that means, but also what we do with them. And it's actually kind of easy. Well, I hope so. I hope my explanation makes sense. If we're adding or subtracting things in algebra, we have to treat the same letters as like terms. That is, they're the same, so we do the same things with them. So, for example, and I think about fruit. If I have 5 apples plus 7 apples plus 9 apples, well, I'm going to add them all up. So those 5 plus the 7, that's 12, plus another 9, that's 21. My answer is going to be 21 apples, or 21A. And that's what you'd write in. 21, well, that satisfies the equation when I add them all up. Now, if I had a harder one, like some subtractions, I like the look of this one here with some m squareds. Even though they're squared, I still treat them the same way. It's like saying 4 m squareds, take 3 m squareds plus 8 m squareds, take 1 m squared. Well, I just do the same thing. So if I start with 4, I take away 3, have to add 8, and then taking away 1, I'm left with 8. And so I would write 8. I would write the answer 8m squared. I have to use the little up arrow here to show the squared, but if you're writing with a pen and paper, you can just write a little 2 up the top. And so that satisfies the equation. But let's say I've got some trickier ones. Maybe there's some x and y's mixed in together. Well, I keep all my x's together, and I keep all my y's together. So if I have 9x plus 3x, I'd keep them together, and so I'd get, let's close that, with my 9x's and my 3x's, I would get 12x's. But then I have to do something with my minus 2y's, minus 6y's. Well, and this is where the number line comes in handy again, because I'm starting at minus 2 and I have to minus 6. So that's going to be minus 2 take minus 6 on my number line, go to minus 8. So I get minus 8y. And so that would simplify that one. Let's do one more hard one together before you try and practice the rest of them. This one looks tricky. I like the look of this one. Well, let's have a go. I've got my 5AB together, and I've got 3 BAs, 9 ABs, and minus AB. Well, I'll start with my 5 ABs, and I'll add my 9 ABs, and I'll take my 1 AB. And that gives me 5 plus 9, 14, take 1, 13 ABs. Now, AB and BA are the same when it comes to algebra. It's like saying 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. And so I can treat them the same way. So my 5AB plus my 3BA actually means the same thing. So it's like saying 5AB plus 3AB plus 9AB take AB. Trust me, dyslexia is making it really hard today, but I'm still trying. I would get a total of 17 AB. Take this 1 AB, gives me 16 AB overall, and that simplifies it. Much easier doing that than dealing with all the little bits in between. Hopefully that helps. Happy practicing.